Hello, welcome back to Crafting with Pretty Science Silhouette Studio Edition. I'm working in Silhouette Business Edition, and let me tell you, I am a silhouette design store contributing artist. That means I create images like SVGs, PNGs, and rhinestone designs for the Silhouette Design Store platform. Okay, and here I'm here today to show you how the Glyphs work in Silhouette Studio. Okay. Um, First thing I'm going to do, I'll use the text because text is the glyphs work with text. You can access them through the text styles. Okay. I will write down a word. I'll go here. I'll get my cursor right here, and I'll write down a word. Let's say I'll write down mama again, and then I'll fill it with the color red. Okay, let me select it. Fill it with red, and then I'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, let me tell you something. Not all um, fonts have beautiful glyphs. I think some fonts don't even have a good amount of glyphs. Glyphs are the like the swirls and the extra characters that the font has. Okay, if you don't have Silhouette Studio but you still want to use you want to use these features, um, I think this computer, Windows, Microsoft has something called character map. Let me click on it. You need to look for it in your system. Go here and search for it. You will find it. Character map, and depends on the font that you have, it will show the character map. If you have some of these calligraphy fonts, they have a lot of separate characters that we don't see when we write the words. They live in there. The glyphs, they are called glyphs. They live on the they live in your character map, and in Silhouette Studio they live on the glyphs. Okay, you see this font here, it doesn't have anything special. Let's go down. I don't know how to use all these. I don't know how to use them. I don't even know what they are. Okay. So to me, they don't do a lot. They don't. Maybe it's another language. Let me know in the comment section if you know what other language this is. But I wouldn't use them since I don't know what. Okay. But let's go to another font. I'll show you a font. Let's say I have that font here. It's called Samantha. You can purchase it from Mighty Fonts. I forgot that name of that thing. I will look for it and find it for you. I forgot that name. I purchased it there for $17. So easy. Okay, Samantha font. And then I will hit enter. And then you have this, okay? I have this. I don't know why the space is so big. But I will leave it like this in text form so that I can change things on it. Okay, have it like so, mama. And now we go to the glyphs. And here in the glyphs of the Samantha font, I can find all kinds of amazing things. I will be able to find like the letter M in different beautiful forms. You see, I have the M right here. This is the regular, this is the one here. But when I scroll down more, I will come to, you see, letter A. Letter A has different versions of the beautiful ones. Each one is different. You see different ones. That's why you should get this font. Very good for bridal accessories, bridal stuff. You see letter A, and then you have letter B, C, D, E, until we go to M. You see here we have M, and here in M, like M is here, I can use these. I'm able to use this, but I'll show you how to use it. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select the one that I want. Let's say I want this one. I'll select it. And when I select it, it will come here. You see it down here, right? It's right here. So, but I want to change this. I want to change it into this one. Look what I'm gonna do. I will double click. Come on, mama. You see, when I double click it like this, the cursor comes again. Okay. I will delete this one. Okay. I see my cursor is still standing here. I will come and click on this M here. Boop, and then I will have it on here. So beautiful, so beautiful. Let's say I want the A, I want A with glyphs to like a flourishing A. I will scroll down to find A's, small letter A's. There are so many here. Okay, this one here. Let's say I want this one right here. You see it? This one right here. Don't mind the extra apostrophe right there. We will take care of it. I will select it, you see, and it comes here. And then I will be able to delete. Oh no, I will have to go back, like, yeah, go here. No, not you. Actually, the thing we need to do, we need to delete first delete the A first, and then come over here and click on your glyphs A. Okay, very nice. And to get the apostrophe off, like I said, click out and click here, right click and weld. When you weld them, the apostrophe A will, the apostrophe up here will be gone. I weld them to make them one piece. You see? And this you can use for cards. You can cut it out on vinyl. You can use it for sublimation when you're making like bridal items. So this is one of the ways to use the glyphs. The glyphs that you will have depends on the font that you're using, the font that you have. The font that you have. Let's say another word. Let's say sports. Okay. Shall I do it? Let's say blue. Take the red line out. Oh, come on now. Okay, the word sports here. And then I'm going to look for a font that will fit it. I will click on this, but then I'll go with my other ones down, my arrow. You can see this in the other video to see which one it will work for. This looks nice. When you go to glyphs, it doesn't really have, I don't think it has things. It's up to you what you want to do. But glyphs works more perfect for me with calligraphy. Let me see. I'll find the text here. Oh, one here. Crankies. Crankies. Like sports. Like crankies. Let's go in crankies glyphs. In their glyphs, you don't have font. You don't have letters. You only have swooshes. You see, you have different A's. It's just like the other one there. Just like the Samantha. Let's see, letter S. What letter S would be in this case? Okay, you see the S, they are almost the same. You have this one here. I don't really like them. Okay. But the thing that I love about this font, the swooshes down here, they are amazing. Let's see if we can get one. I will select this one here. And then I will find my thing here. And then I will select this. You see, and it comes on it. This is so beautiful. Very beautiful. I love it. And if you want, you can erase it. You see that? So nice. So the glyphs will come. Okay. The glyph will come if you click on it. Like, you have to know where you stand with your cursor so that the glyphs come there. Because if I stand here I can put a glyph in there. You see that? It becomes a mess. So you have to always stand in the right place to get the glyph on there. And like I said, glyphs works the best with calligraphy. Okay, so go and get these. Get the if you love this, get the font. It's Crinkies. Get it from the font.com. And the Samantha, you can get it from Mighty Deals. Yeah, mightydeals.com. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And have a great day.